Joining us now on the markets, Andrew Slimmon. He is Senior Portfolio Manager at Morgan Stanley Investment Management. You're not ready to sell everything right now, Andrew, but you're nervous. You've got a little bit of angst. Maybe not immediately. We could have maybe a melt-up until February, but after that, you don't think the same leadership takes us into the 2025.
Well, that's right, Joe. Look, the stock market is being led by, what I call bubbly, low-quality growth stocks. That's happened since earlier this fall, and it's reminiscent of 2021, and that didn't end well for those stocks. I just think right now in December, it's tough to, put a stake in the ground and say it's over. I think it'll continue, but be wary of what could happen next year. I don't think the market is nearly as stressed as it was in 2021, but certainly I think there's a rotation coming into other areas because, it's gotten too frothy in one group of stocks.
So would you stay at the party to try and get the last, whatever it is, 5 or 10? I mean, if it's only going to be an additional 5 or 10% and you don't know when it's going to happen, it just seems like it might be prudent to start selling some of those names.
Correct. That's absolutely correct. You can't time exactly. So I think you got to be willing to take some money off the table, and stocks are up a lot. I mean, there are a lot of stocks up over 50% this year, 60, 70. So I think it's prudent to begin to trade out of those and look for areas that have lagged. When you have so much money that's chased the momentum factor, these bubbly stocks are going into momentum, you almost always have a rotation into other areas the next year. And there are definitely some laggards out there in the market. So I think, you can't wait to the last. You'll never time it perfectly.
Well, we're almost out of time. So just give me 20 seconds to tell me if it were February or March and we did see some correction from these names, what do you like? 10 seconds, 15 seconds.
I mean, I think the REIT sector is a great example that has lagged, that could provide some more leadership.
Boring.
I think China's intriguing.
Boring.
I said China. How about that?
Well, that's good. That's all right. All right. We got to go. Andrew, thank you.